All right, another maintenance item I want to complete on my MXZ 440 is to replace the in-tank fuel line, pickup line, and the fuel filter that's in there. I got all the parts here. So this is the rubber grommet that's right here. And there's the part number. I'll put a link in the description. And then I got fuel line, tag-on fuel line. And I got these in-tank fuel filters. So, I just picked this sled up a few months ago. I don't know how old this gas is in here, so I was gonna drain it anyway. There's about an 1/8 tank in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and siphon that out. Got all the gas drained out, got about 2.5 gallons. So first things first, we'll go ahead and get this line off of here. All right, there's the grommet, and then the fuel line and the filter. So as you can see, this stuff gets pretty old and brittle, and if it breaks off near this and you're running low on fuel, you're gonna be walking home. Okay, got the new assembly ready to put back in. So feed the filter through, and then don't put this on yet. Get this rubber grommet installed in the tank first, like that. I did put a little bit of silicone spray on there so it goes in easier, and then this will just slip on through like that. So if you have an older sled, it's probably a good idea to get this done. That gas line, it sits in the gas all the time, so it gets all dry and it'll crack and break, and you know, if you're low on fuel, it's not going to pick it up. So all right, thanks for watching.